everyone, today me and my dad together are going to make a snail. So first you make is a line and a line and some circles. And on the other side, do that same thing. And then in there, draw 2 dark circles. And then connect these 2. And then draw a swarmy line like this. And draw a line down here. And then draw like this, like a curve. And then back here, draw her shell. Here is. And then down here, draw a swarmy line. Next, draw eyes. And up here, draw circles. And make a happy face. This is time for decoration. On his shell, draw some pretty lines. Now time for coloring. We're today going to use only 2 colors, which is blue and some orange. Let's color his shell with blue. We are coloring in different ways. What the difference is, my dad is coloring only in these and I'm coloring the full shell. You can do however you like, just to have fun and make it beautiful. We're almost done coloring with her shell or his. Now we're going to color his antennas. Keep coloring. Have fun. Bye.